Case-based question of the chapter circles. The question is, a Ferris wheel is an amusement ride consisting of a rotating upright wheel attached to the rim in such a way that as the wheel turns, they are kept upright usually by gravity. Okay, the spinning wheel. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. The question number 1 is, if a circle is divided into 20 equal parts, then what is the angle subtended by each arc at the center? Whole circle is divided into 20 equal parts. What is the angle subtended by each arc of the center? The whole circle is divided into 20 parts such that like 20. Okay. Find the sector angle. Sector angle is 360 divided by 20. We get 18 degree. The sector angle equal to 18 degree. A circle is divided into 20 parts. The sector angle equal to 18 degree. The answer is 12 degree, 18 degree, 36, 20 yani 18 degree. Okay. Now question number 2. Look at the figure. This is the figure. What is the measure of angle ABC? ABC, this angle. Okay. We have to find the angle ABC, means this angle. Okay, the OA equal to OB, OA equal to OB. It means angle OAB equal to angle OBA. Isosceles triangle property, if two sides are equal, then the base angle are also equal. It means the angle 40 degree. This angle equal to 40 degree. Angle OAB equal to 40 degree. Therefore, angle OBA equal to 40 degree. Now ये वाला एंगल फाइंड करना है, तो ये एंगल ये 20, ये भी 20 रेडियस, तो दिस एंगल इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू 20 डिग्री. फिर लिखेंगे OB इक्वल टू OC, द एंगल OCB इक्वल टू एंगल OBC. Therefore, angle OBC equal to 20 degree. So, whole angle equal to angle ABC equal to 40 plus 20 equal to 60 degree. Angle BAC, ABC equal to 60 degree. This angle equal to. The right option is 40, 100, 80, 60. It means 60 degree. Next, what is the measure of angle AOC? AOC, this angle. ये एंगल कितना है 60. जस्ट इसका ये क्या होता है डबल. तो लिखेंगे एंगल AOC इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स एंगल ABC. सेंटर पे बनने वाला एंगल हमेशा क्या होता है रेस्ट ऑफ द आर्क का डबल, यानी 2 × 60 120 डिग्री, यानी एंगल AOC इक्वल टू 120 डिग्री. तो 60, 80, 100, 120. It is equal to 120. Next, what is the measure of angle ADC? APC. What is the measure of angle ADC? Here is in the figure ADC. This is the point D. Okay. What is the measure of angle ADC? ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Angle ABC 60 degree, then it is equal to 120. We can write angle ABC plus angle ADC equal to 180 degree. ADC is 60, ABC 60 degree. Therefore, ADC equal to 180 minus 60, 120 degree. Okay, ADC 120 by using cyclic quadrilateral property. 120. मैं सॉल्व करके इसीलिए दिखा रहे हैं कि आप लोग को समझ में आना चाहिए, सिर्फ वरना MCQ तो हम लोग ऐसे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द मेजर ऑफ एंगल APC? दिस इज द एंगल APC. इफ ABC इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री, देन APC इज ऑल्सो 60 degree. Angle formed by the same arc. Okay, ABC equal to APC, angle in the same segment. Therefore, APC equal to 60 degree. 60 degree, 80, 100, 120, it is 60 degree.